Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install updates on Microsoft Store. So maybe you install software or any games program that comes from the Microsoft Store. You can simply update it from it. So you can open Microsoft Store now. You can click Start and click Microsoft Store. Here you can choose or find your apps. There is a free one, there is in-app purchases, so feel free to try search your apps. Just click apps, find the categories, or you can find directly in search filter. Also there is games here. Again, you can try by category, or you can get the free one, and so on. And maybe you get the software that you want and you need to update it. So here under download option, you can just click it. You can download and install app updates by clicking get updates. Here we go, this is the get updates button. So just simply click it, and the updates file or the installed app will updates if you click this button. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, click the button below. See you in the next video.